Hey guys, I'm showing you this WARRKY video capture card with a built-in USB 3 cable. It's a 1080p 60 fps record and 4K pass-through. So HDMI capture card with two audio ports for streaming. Compatible with a Nintendo Switch, PS5, PS4, Xbox or PC. So let me just open this. So instructions, warranty and everything. So this is a user guide, very helpful to adjust this and set this up. So it mentioned you need a software like OBS Studio, that's mentioned here, and then you have to select this capture card. So let me just show it here. From the quality looks really nice, and the connections you need to put, so you can do the USB or the USB-C connection here, and then there's a two audio port that I will show. So this is very helpful, like when you are playing any game and you want to capture that and record that, like your events, that is pretty good. So there are two audio port here and then two HDMI here. So one in, one is out, and then the USB and USB-C connection that you can use for the PC. So let me just put it, you can see like HDMI in and HDMI out. So let me put in all the connections. You should be careful. And then the audio ports, so the aux cable, so I put in all the connection here with HDMI's audio port, my USB-C. So everything is all set, and let me just connect this. So say this is a video that's coming here, and then the OBS is a open software, so we have to download that in the PC. Once downloaded, you can see that in my PC it's showing the same one here, and then you can just click on the record, and everything is in the manual to set this up, all these functions and everything. So it's capturing really well, and you can just start recording and it will start capturing the screen here. You can choose 1080p and then it will start capturing in the high definition. So I'm just playing the recorded video, and yeah, this playing really good and fine. So it's pretty nice video capture card.